To print your Morgan Stanley account recovery information, follow these steps. First, ensure you have access to a computer or mobile device with internet connection and a printer. Open a web browser and navigate to the Morgan Stanley website. Then click on the Login button to access your account. Enter your username and password in the required fields and click the Login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or email to verify your identity. Once logged in, click on the Account Settings or Profile section, usually located at the top right corner of the page. In the Account Settings section, look for the Account Information or Statements tab and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can view and manage your account details. Scroll down to the Account Recovery section, which may be labeled as Account Recovery Information or similar. Click on the Print button or link to print your account recovery information. This may open a new window or tab with a printable version of the document. Review the information to ensure it is accurate and complete. Then click the Print button on your browser or right-click and select Print. Alternatively, you can also save the document as a PDF file by selecting the Save as PDF option from the Print menu. This will allow you to save a copy of your account recovery information to your computer or device. For future reference, it is essential to keep your account recovery information up to date and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Regularly review and update your account recovery information to ensure it remains accurate and current. By following these steps, you can easily print your Morgan Stanley account recovery information and ensure the security of your account.